Maynilad, 15 pesos na lang kada isang share. This is actually a good news para dun sa mga nag-aabang para makapag-invest kay Maynilad. Oh, by the way, Mike nga pala of Stocksilog where I teach you how to make money sa stock market. Oh, October 23 hanggang 29 lang ito ha. And yung kanilang ticker symbol is MYNLD. Available na ito sa stock market by November 7. Now, hindi naman pwedeng isang share lang ang bibilhin kasi may tinatawag tayo ditong board lot. Yun yung minimum number of shares na pwede mong bilhin sa market. Ngayon, dahil 15 pesos yung kanyang IPO price, which is pasok dito sa range na to, then 100 shares ang kanyang minimum number. Which means nasa around 1,500 pesos ang magiging initial capital mo dito. Now, in case you don't know, which I highly doubt, no, Maynilad is the water and wastewater services provider for the Greater Manila area, or at least majority of it. And they are about to list sa Philippine Stock Exchange through IPO or Initial Public Offering, which is a process of how a private company becomes a public company so that investors like us, mga normal na tao, can invest or buy their shares. So at 15 pesos, do you think it's a good deal na ba?